Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these are SIMARI winter gloves. So I knew they were gloves, but let's check these out. Let's see how they are. So here we go. So that's everything in the box. And wow, these are nice. Okay, so look at these here. They are like made of, they have like a nylon kind of outside of it. So, and a kind of a leatherette inside of it. So these are gonna be nice to keep you warm and also, whoa, look at the inside of this. It's fur. How cool is that? It says the shell is polyester. Shell 2 is polyester polyethylene. And the lining is polyester too, so it's a fake fur. So that's cool. And let's see what we got here. It says 3M thin chelate. And do I have like any other details on it? Let me see. Does it have a size or anything? Let me see. A medium. So I got medium, and my hands are this big, so I don't know. Let's see how these are. Whoa, these are soft and warm, and these are good. So let's see. It's got a nice cuff on it here, so it'll kind of keep you warm here. It doesn't have a string to tie it, but it does have a bungee to keep it tight. So these would be great for like just hanging out in the cold and stuff as it's the winter time and everything like that. They might even be good, okay, for skiing. When I ski, I usually like the heated ones with the places to put the heating things in, but these are going to be great for just hanging out when I'm in the ski areas when I'm not skiing, because these are way thinner and smaller and easier to maintain. I could actually drive with these. And let's put on the other one here. So here we go. So now I have two gloves on, and these are like perfect for me. My fingers, here, I'll take off this one here. My fingers go, I can pinch the end. You see it folds over just a little bit. And so my hands are pretty good, normal size human hands, and they fit great. And these are soft and good. And what's good about these two is they come with the clip, because man, I've had some that don't come with the clip and then I lose them. But you can do the little clippy thing together, so you can clip it around a loop or something like that, or hang it with a carabiner or whatever you need to do to keep them together. That's what I'll do, is I'll put them on the backpack with a carabiner around, and then I'm good to go. So really cool, and they stay together good. And then you just push them apart. So really cool, nice gloves, really cool. I'm gonna say these are a total thumbs up for me, made out of good material. Really, they feel great, they're super soft, they're awesome. These are gonna be my go-to winter glove that I will be using all winter long. So thumbs up for sure.